Hi guys, Fidadian here. Did you think about starting your training, but you have no idea where to start and how to do it? Well, I prepared, let's say, my ultimate guide for starting the training, and I will walk you through because the thing is that you need to make a plan. It's starting a new habit and it's not easy. So you need to cultivate it so your training will survive. You may experience it before that you started, but it didn't work, right? So I split into two parts, before you start and how to start. Before you start, first, you may have some health conditions, something pre-existing, so it's good idea to talk to your doctor. Just general talk, and you want to start your training, and let's say like clearance for training, which is quite common and is a good idea to do it. And then your options. You can do it, let's say, DIY, do it yourself, which is not easy, but it can be done. So you can use my guides, you can use something you read in the books. Then other option is personal trainer, which is good option, but it could be pricey. But let's say it's easy, but you pay for it. And other cheaper option is join the gym and use the fitness classes. It's not a bad choice. You can learn the basics, and you don't need to pay for personal trainer. So this is your options. Let's say you choose the first one, DIY. So you can use this plan. So you need to really think about your training, and I call it define your why, or why power. It's really really important. It help you when you get stuck, you get in a, you don't know if you should carry on, and so why you are doing your training. It could be family reason, you want to uh, be active with your kids. You may want have some old dreams like playing sports, traveling, for your health. So it could be many reasons, and also think what you enjoy, and then you can say shift your training to matching this purpose. Also, don't hesitate, don't wait for any better circumstances. Start where you are and prepare your plan. So here is the plan. Talk to your partner. Just try to find any slots where you can do exercise, and also it's really good when you have support from your partner. Try to explain why you are doing, and also um, your partner may join you, which could be even better. And also you can talk to your friends, so have a exercise buddy, for going to the gym or go for a run. It's a good option. Then it's important to incorporate in your workout warm up and cool down. That's really important, especially if you are older or very stiff. So you're not going to get stuck and injured. And then building your foundation. There are some fundamental exercises, for example, squats, push-ups, lunges, plank, crunches. You may have a look on my video where I focus on some basic exercises which help me to create my foundation. Next is things necessary for your training. which I found very, very important, and that's diet, proper breakfast, not skipping breakfast, and also don't, let's say, eat something that is not fulfill your stomach. And because when you feel that we have something very small and not very nutritious, then your mood is down. So for example, overnight porridge, which I may make a video, is something to go. You can create yourself. There is oats, cocoa, frozen fruits. So if you don't have time, you can grab some from the shop. If you don't want to spend money for it, you can make it at your home. So breakfast, good meals, rich of protein and good fat. If you, let's say, struggle with protein, you can consider some good protein powder to help to build muscles. Next thing is sleep. So have good recovery, well-being, be in a good mood, which exercise also help with the well-being as well. And I previously mentioned time slots. That's important for your training, to plan it. Over time, you may find it more easily to do small slots. When you start, you may use bigger slots, because of warm up and cool down. Another important thing, crucial, is setting goals. You may use the formula of SMART for setting goals, which will help you to create for you, and the acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. So it helps you with accountability and motivation. For example, when you for plank, you can say goal is 1 minute. So that could be achievable goal and realistic, and then 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Push-ups, you can say like 5 push-ups is my goal to achieve, and also set time. Let's say it's dependent about your level. Just you can get better when you start. Don't worry if you shoot out, just getting better and setting goals. So this is a kind of overview. Okay, thank you guys, and let me know in the comments below, and I will create more specific videos, especially for example for creating the plan for warm up, cool down, how to make let's say your first session, more about nutrition. Okay, so that's going to be it for now. Thank you guys.